अष्टमी कक्षा संयुक्त संस्कृत. I, Sonali Patil from Gokhale Education Society, HL English Medium, Ozar Township. I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium. Subject Sanskrit. Now let us start student Prarthana. Students, prayer usually consists of the praise of the deity. In this prayer, 4 verses are there. The first and second verse are in praise of Lord Ganesh and Goddess Saraswati. The third one is in praise of Guru. The last verse is not prayer. It is written to extol the life of the people who love their country, culture and heritage. So students, you should listen carefully and learn by heart. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. नमामि शारदां देवीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि प्रसन्ना भव सर्वदा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. संस्कृतं ये प्रशंसन्ति संस्कृतिं स्वदेशं ये च शंसन्ति धन्यं जीवन्ति ते नराः. Now first stanza. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. वक्रतुंड means curved trunk as mouth, Mahakaya huge body, Sarvada always. O Lord Ganesha, Vakratunda Mahakaya, that names are Ganesha. Those who have trunk as mouth, those who have huge body. Suryakoti Samaprabha means luster equaling to millions of suns. Nirvignam kuru me deva sarva karyeshu sarvada. Nirvignam means removing hurdles. You always removing hurdles in all my activities. O Lord Ganesha, those who have curved trunk as mouth, those who have huge body, and those who have luster equaling to millions of sun, you always removing hurdles in all my activities. Now in Marathi meaning. महाकाय मोठे, निर्विघ्न संकटरहित, सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ, कोटी सूर्यासारखे तेज असलेला. हे वक्रतुंड, हे महाकाय, कोटी सूर्यासारखे तेज असलेल्या देवा, सर्व कार्यांमध्ये नेहमी मला यश दे. Students, all children like Lord Ganesha because of his beautiful and different look. We all celebrate the Ganesha festival. Whenever we start any auspicious function, that time we first worship the Lord Ganesha. Then our start the function. Lord Ganesha is the Lord of wisdom. Not only people but gods and demons also worship the Lord Ganesha. Now students, next stanza. Namami Sharadam Devim Veena Pustakadharinim Vidyarambham Karishyami Prasanna Bhava Sarvada. Namami, bow down, salutation. Sharada Devi means Goddess Saraswati. Prasanna Bhava means be pleased. Veena means that instrument. Pustak means book. Dharani means hold. I bow down to Goddess Saraswati who holds Veena and a book. I shall start learning. Be always please me. Now in Marathi meaning. Namami, namaskar, Vidyarambham, विद्येलारंभ, धारिणीम, धारण करणे. वीणा व पुस्तक धारण करणाऱ्या सरस्वती देवीला मी नमस्कार करतो. मी विद्या शिकण्यास सुरुवात करणार आहे. सर्व काही देणारी अशी तू नेहमी प्रसन्न हो. Students, Goddess Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. She have lot of knowledge. She wear a white sari. She holded in her hand veena and book. She has seated on white lotus. For the knowledge, we should praise the Goddess Saraswati. Now, next stanza. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. ब्रह्मा लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा, विष्णू लॉर्ड विष्णू, महेश्वर लॉर्ड शिवा, परब्रह्म the supreme spirit. Guru is Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. Guru is the supreme spirit. Incarnate salutation to that Guru. Now in Marathi. ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मदेव, महेश्वरः भगवान शंकर, नमः नमस्कार. गुरु हा ब्रह्मदेव, विष्णू, शिव आहे. गुरु म्हणजे साक्षात परब्रह्म आहे आणि अशा या गुरूंना नमस्कार असो. स्टुडंट्स, गुरु इज द स्पिरिच्युअल गाईड. गुरु इज ब्रह्मा, विष्णू अँड महेश. गुरु इज सुप्रीम गॉड. So Guru is that Parabrahma. Thus, salutation to sacred teacher. Guru is someone who leads to light. For this reason, Guru is considered supreme to all. Because without him, there is no realization. There is no point in believing in the existence of God, as if he never existed. This is the reason why Guru is so important. There is similar doha by Sant Kabir. Guru Govind दोनों खड़े काके लागो पाए बल बिहारी Guru आपके गोविंद दियो बताए. Means if both Guru and God were to appear at once, whose feet should I touch first? Then he says it has to be the Guru's feet first, because without him how would I have recognized God? So, we should salutation to that Guru. Now next stanza. संस्कृतं ये प्रशंसन्ति ये प्रशंसन्ति संस्कृतिं स्वदेशं ये च शंसन्ति धन्यं जीवन्ति ते नरः. Sanskritam means Sanskrit language. Prashamsanti, praise. Dhanyam, bless. Sanskritim, culture. Those who praise Sanskrit language, culture and their motherland, their life is bliss. Now in Marathi. प्रशंसन्ति स्तुती, जीवंती जगतात, नरहा मनुष्य. जे संस्कृत भाषेची प्रशंसा करतात, भारतीय संस्कृतीला जपतात आणि आपल्या देशाची स्तुती करतात ते पुरुष धन्य होत. स्टुडंट्स, संस्कृत लँग्वेज is the mother of all languages. So we should protect and spread this language. Those who have proud our culture and country, their life is blessed. One shlok is there. भाषासु मुख्या मधुरा दिव्या गिर्वाण भारती तत्रापि काव्यम मधुरम तस्मादपि सुभाषितम. Among the all languages, Sanskrit language is sweet language. In Sanskrit language, poetry and subhashitas also sweet. So we should spread this language and we should proud our culture and country also. So students, this poem is only and only for learning. So all should learn by heart.